I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up. Told her if it's all me, everything is on me. Gon' back it up.
What's up, guys? Just woke up at my parents' house on the South Shore for the 4th of July holiday, and there's waves. It's actually kind of pumping for July, so I'm stoked. My dad just made us some pancakes. I just checked the local beach, and there's definitely size, so we're gonna head over the other side of town where it's offshore, get some waves. All right, guys, just pulled up the spot with Jill. Gonna meet up with some of the boys and get eyes on for a surf check. What do you think, babe?
It's cold.
It's not cold. Water's warm. We got 3.2s. Water temp 63. It is cold outside. It's windy. It's onshore on the other side of town. Offshore here, it's going to be smaller, but should be super fun. Stay tuned.
Don't force me out of bed in your society. Don't push me down the road you've been down. Don't try to fix my head, it's just your anxiety. Don't hush me now, cause I just wanna shout. Don't make me dance to the tune that you're humming. No, my body don't move like that. Don't make me pretend I don't see your shortcomings. You'll be running when I raise the black flag. Get out your bomb and fly away. We'll be dancing with our hands in the air when our new dawn is rising. To the break of dawn. You can't keep me in a cage made of tired ideas. It's rusting out faster by the day. I won't wear your leash, I won't take no deals. I won't stay quiet when there's so much left to say. I'm not buying no rise of suburban life when there's a fire raging just outside our door. You talk about peace on earth and the summer of love while you're sleeping on pills through the war. Get out your bomb and fly away. We'll be dancing with our hands in the air when our new dawn is rising. We'll be dancing with our hands in the air when our new dawn is
What's up, everybody? I just got out of the water. About to get some tacos. I'm starving. Just dropped Jill off to get her nails done, so I'm gonna meet up with the boys, have some tacos, some drinks, and yeah, it was super fun out there. It was tiny, but it's the 4th of July weekend. We never have waves, so it's just good to get wet. Yeah. Stay tuned. Hopefully we're gonna get some waves later today, and it looks fun tomorrow and a cleanup on Monday. So yeah, let's go. All right, what's up, guys? We have a couple hours before surf camp, so we're gonna take the boys out on the skiff and the spit. So we can have some fun. Pirate Island. Good morning, guys. It is 7:30 in the morning and I'm just left my parents' house going for a surf check, see if I can find a little bump out there. The waves are supposed to be fun today. It's going to be small again, but should be pretty consistent and offshore everywhere throughout the day. So I'm going to check in and try to get a surf in before Logan starts surf camp today at 2 o'clock. So he's going to have surf camp every day for the rest of the week from 2 to 6. So that's rad. Stoked for him. And yeah, let's go see what we can find.
I'm away. I'm away. I'm a one-to-one, I could never be you. Low me tools, no I can't be fooled. Low me tools, no I hate these dudes. I'm a one-to-one, I could never be you. Anything you could do, I could do better. I can do better than you. Anything you could do, I can do better. I can do better than you. Drop my first single, let go, he rap. You thought it was a drought, that's cap. I get the front and I get the back. Lil Uzi the facts, like that's a rack. Bought some new boots just to wear them out. Bought a new Beamer, I run it to the ground. I used to say nothing, I bet they hear me now. Handle my business, no need to hear me out. Talking too much, say less. If it's less than a check, say less. If you can say it best, say less. I'm taking all best, say less. Talking too much, say less. If it's less than a check, say less. If you can say it best, say less. I'm taking all best, say less. I'm a one-to-one, I could never be you. Little me tools, no I can't be fooled.
All right, just get out of the water at one of my favorite spots growing up. It was super fun. It wasn't really turned on, but it was bigger than I thought, and I got a couple, so that's all I can ask for. All right, what's up, guys? So Logan, my oldest son, just turned 7, and for a surprise for his birthday, we rented him a limo for the day. So the limo's almost here. It's gonna pick us up for breakfast, then take us to a toy store, maybe ice cream, and then eventually we're gonna drop him off at surf camp in the limo. So stay tuned, big surprise, it'll be fun. No way, Logs. What? What? No way, Logs. What?
Nothing but the finest Canadian ginger ale for you, sir.
Until something better came along.
All right, would it be the 4th without a hot dog eating contest? Maybe, maybe not. Waves are minor right now, so we're waiting for the tide to come back in. And while we wait, boys are eating some dogs. How we living?
Doing all right.
Yeah, boys.
Oh, 20 and a half hours out?
Not good,
I
but
don't
not
think there's
good.
any way you could possibly keep up that pace. She was just saying that was 5 and it was 1 every 2 minutes, right?
You're sweating.
This moved a lot.
What's the consensus, Dano?
Bad idea.
Wiley, how you feeling?
I feel fabulous.
No, you don't. You're lying.
How many did you take down?
10 and a half.
Like high school for him.
Alright guys, it's tiny, but I am gonna take Jill out on some longboards and get some weights. Hopefully get her into a couple good ones. It's like knee high, but it's gonna be fun on longboard, so let's go.
Feeling in my bones, I can feel it in my veins. Hands in the sky, I can feel the winds of change. You live and you learn, and I hope I've seen enough to make something right and make up for what I've lost. I was down, but things are looking up. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. Things turn around, didn't ever think they could. I'm done with the bad, I need a little bit of good. Settled in the world, like everything is new. Stepped on a path that led me straight to you. I was down, but things are looking up. By surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know it should. I wanna get high on you, caught by surprise by you. Want you to make my heart feel as much as I know